Get ready for Samsung's Winter Unpacked 2025. The event is set for January 22nd in San Jose, California, and all eyes are on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung officially sent out invites on January 6th, igniting excitement across the tech world. The S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a sleek new design, a larger display, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and major AI upgrades, including faster performance and advanced image generation. Plus, the camera is expected to steal the show with a 50MP 5x zoom lens. And who knows, Samsung might even surprise us with a first look at its Project Moon XR headset. Samsung will stream the event live on Samsung.com, YouTube, and the Samsung newsroom at 1 p.m. ET, 10 a.m. PT. Stay tuned for all the updates, and keep watching for more exciting insights into Samsung's latest innovations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech news.